Want biceps that pop? These 5 moves will blow up your arms, fast. 1. Barbell Curl Target. Biceps brachii, long and short head. This is a classic mass-building movement. Use a challenging weight, keep your elbows locked, and curl the bar up while squeezing the biceps at the top. Slowly lower for maximum tension. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps. 2. Dumbbell Curl. Target biceps brachii. Whether seated or standing, this is a must-have in your bicep routine. Focus on strict form. Curl the dumbbells up, squeeze hard at the top, then slowly return. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. 3. Preacher Curl. Target brachialis. For outer bicep thickness and clean form, preacher curls are perfect. The support prevents cheating and forces your biceps to do all the work. Use moderate weight, 3 sets, 10 to 12 reps. 4. Hammer Curl. Dumbbell Amulet. Target brachioradialis and biceps brachii. Using a neutral grip, hammer curls build both biceps and forearms, giving your arms a thicker appearance. Go heavy, but keep control throughout the motion. 3 to 4 sets, 10 to 12 reps. 5. Cable Curl. High cable. Target inner biceps and brachialis. This exercise is perfect for building the bicep peak. Stand centered between 2 high cables, curl both sides evenly, and squeeze at the top. 3 sets, 10 to 15 reps.